Here are 5 important iPhone settings you should disable right now. If you are on your iPhone or you are just unboxed a new iPhone or you have been using it for years, these tips are essential for everyone. I'm going to focus on 2 key areas. The first one, privacy setting, to help keep your personal data secure. And the second one, battery saving options, to prevent your iPhone from draining power too fast. These are the most common concerns I hear from iPhone users. Either they worried about their privacy being compromised, or they frustrated with the poor battery life. I'm going to walk you through all of those, but first hit the subscribe button down below, really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's jump into your iPhone settings. We will be staying here for a while, navigating through different sections. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. That's where the first major change begins. Once inside, scroll all the way to bottom and tap Analytics and Improvements. Now, here is what I recommended. Turn everything off. You'll probably see toggles like Share iPhone Analytics, Analytics Data, Share iCloud Analytics, and Improve Siri and Dictation. These options collect and send your iPhone's usage data back to Apple. Personally, I disable all of them. Why? Because I prefer my iPhone usage and data to stay private. If you are serious about digital privacy, you will want these turned off too. Another important step is to limit how much of your personal data Apple can use for advertising purposes. To do that, go into your settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then choose Apple Advertising. If the personalized ads option is enabled, that means Apple can use your device activity, like what apps you use or what you search for, to show you more targeted ads. You might also see an option to view ad targeting information. I recommend switching personalized ads off. This will prevent Apple from using your iPhone behavior to customize ads specifically for you. In a world where companies like Apple, Google, and Meta already deliver a flood of ads, there is no need to give them even more insight into your activity. So by turning this off, you are taking a small but meaningful step to protect your privacy. Let's return to the privacy and security settings. This time, we will focus on location services. When it comes to your personal data, it's not just analytics and ads you should worry about. Your location is also something worth protecting. Many apps request access to your location, sometimes without a clear reason. For example, apps like Instagram really don't need to know where you are all the time. Sure, you might want to tag a location when posting, but that doesn't mean they should track you constantly. I recommend setting most of these apps to while using the app, or even never if they don't need location access at all. Scroll through the entire list and adjust the setting based on what you are comfortable with. Now, scroll down and tap System Services. You'll see icons next to services. A purple arrow means your location was just used. A gray arrow means your location was accessed in the last 24 hours. Some of these you might want to leave on, like Find My iPhone or Cell Network Search for better signal. But others, like Significant Location, can be a seriously privacy concern. This feature tracks the place you visit frequently and stores the data. I recommend turn it off and also type in Clear History to erase any previously stored location info. Now that we've handled analytics, advertising, and location settings, there is another key area to lock down: your online browsing. Go back to your settings, scroll down and tap on Safari or Google Chrome if that's your main browser. The similar rules apply. When inside Safari settings, scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Here are the recommended switches. Prevent cross-site tracking. Leave it on. Hide IP address. Choose from trackers. Fraudulent website warning. Turn on. Block all cookies. It's optional depending on your needs. Not secure website warning. Leave it on. Why is this important? Imagine you search for a product, say a pair of shoes, on one site, and then immediately start seeing ads for those shoes on Instagram or Facebook. This happens because of cross-site tracking. By enabling this Safari privacy setting, you limit websites and apps from sharing your behavior, which protect your identity and prevents targeted ads from following you around. This small step gives you more control over your digital footprint. We've already converted a few settings to secure your privacy and reduce how much personal info your iPhone shares. But there is another area to pay attention to: your battery life. Go back into Settings, then tap General and open Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to stay active in the background even when you are not using them. That might be helpful for a few apps, but in most cases, it just drains your battery unnecessarily. I recommend switching this setting to off completely. Apps will still work fine. They'll just refresh when you open them. It's a simple change that can help extend battery life significantly, especially on older phones. The last adjustment I recommend is, back in your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Mail. Or, if the Mail icon is missing in the setting like mine, you can find it through the search. Then go into Accounts. Near the bottom, you'll see an option called Fetch New Data. If this is enabled, especially the push feature, your iPhone will constantly pull email from services like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook and deliver them in real time. While convenient, this feature significantly impacts battery life because your phone is always refreshing in background. To reduce battery drain, turn push off. Set each account to fetch manually instead of automatically every 15 to 30 minutes. That way, your phone will only check for emails when you open the Mail app, saving you a noticeable amount of battery over time. This simple change helps preserve your iPhone's battery and reduce unnecessary background activity. It's setting I always tweak on any new iPhone, and I recommend it for anyone, especially those using older devices. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.